Hi guys, good evening. How are you? My name's Emer. I'm from Montenegro in Milan. I'm Irish from Dublin. How was your week? Was it good? Do you have plans for the weekend? How are you? So hi, how are you? Say hi in the chat. My name is Emer. I'm from Dublin in Ireland. I'm 23. I work at Montenegro, Milan. Today we are doing a weather report. So how is the weather in your city? What's the weather in your city? Hi, Larissa from Milan. Ah, yes, Larissa, of course. How are you? Hi. How are you? Larissa, sorry. How are you, Larissa? Can you describe the weather in Milan today? I stayed inside. I was teaching today, so I didn't go outside. But what's the weather like today in Milan? I know it's warm. It's like not hot, but just like okay, it's warm. Warm like 20 degrees. Yeah, like 20 degrees. So what's the weather like in Milan? Larissa, is that a cat? Oh, cute. So what's the weather like in Milan? It's okay. And you? It's okay. It's good. Yeah, it's nice. I think today was cloudy, uh, cloudy, but sunny, a little sunny. Yeah, cloudy and sunny. Perfect. Okay, Larissa, we can start. So, weather report. In this focus activity, weather and directions. What's the weather in? It's not, and weather related activities. Okay, so what's the weather like? Match the image to the expressions. Sunny, foggy, rainy, snowy, cloudy, windy. So match the expressions to the pictures. So in the chat, write A, B, C. Okay. I'll give you a minute to get going. It's sunny and hot. Ooh, lovely, Larissa. Great words. Very good. Yeah, the weather is beautiful at the moment. A, cloudy. Yes, well done. Perfect, Larissa. Well done. Okay, what's B? B is snowy. Yep, perfect. Very good. Snowy. C, rainy. D, foggy. Perfect. Well done. Foggy. Yep. And we get the last ones. Foggy, windy, and sunny. Perfect. Well done, Larissa. Great work. Windy and sunny. Sorry. Okay, yes, perfect. So cloudy, sunny, rainy, foggy, windy, and sunny. So she is sunbathing in this picture. She's sunbathing. In picture F. So she's sunbathing in picture F. So in Italian, you say to take the sun, but in English, we say to wash ourselves, to wash in the sun. So we say bathing. Yeah, in picture F. Perfect. Well done, Larissa. Great. Okay. So what's the temperature? Match the thermometer to the expressions. So hot, cold, warm, freezing, boiling, and cool. So here, hot, see the red is the highest, so this is hot, and it goes down in temperature to the bottom. So excuse me. So write the temperatures in order. So boiling is the hottest, and at the bottom we have the coldest. So what's next? Hot, then so boiling, then hot. What's next? Yeah, boiling, hot. Perfect. Warm. Very good. Perfect. Yep. What's next? So we have boiling, hot, warm. And then we have cold, freezing, or cool. So what's next? So they are very similar. Yeah, I think cold is next, or sorry, cool. Yeah, I think cool is next. Yeah, cool. Then cold and freezing. Perfect. Well done, Larissa. Very good. Yeah, so boiling is the hottest. The hottest, and freezing is the coldest. So boiling, for example, in Milan, for Milan weather, boiling would be like 40 degrees Celsius. Hot, like 30, maybe. Warm, like 20, 15 degrees. Cool, like 10. Cold, like maybe like 5 degrees. And then freezing is like 0 degrees or like minus 10 or something like that. Like a negative number. So if that helps as a kind of guide to remember how they work. So yeah, boiling, then hot. Hot is like, whew. Warm is like, nah, yeah, it's nice. Maybe a t-shirt. Cool. And then cold is like, whew. And freezing is like, ah. So okay, let's see. So what's the weather like? How many adjectives can you pair with each image? Tell your partner what the weather is like. Example, it's hot and sunny. So sunny, foggy, rainy, snowy, cloudy, windy, stormy, raining, hot, cold, snowing. And if and use more adjectives if you know more adjectives, throw them in as well. So let's see our first image. Okay, this is a nice image. So what's the weather like in this image? And how many adjectives can you pair with this image? So a beautiful beach in the summer. Tell me, what's the weather like? Okay, Milan temperature is 24 degrees. It's warm. Okay, cool. Fair enough, Larissa. The weather is very different in Ireland, but I haven't had a Milan summer yet because I came in January. But I have heard other people have told me that summer in Milan is so hot and humid. It's not nice, but I don't know. Larissa, today it's warm and sunny. Okay, cool. So in this picture, in this image, Larissa, what is the weather like? This image. So in Ireland, 24 degrees is a warm summer's day. 24 degrees. But, no, it is. It's lovely, beautiful weather. So you could say this picture, it's warm and sunny, but I feel like it's warmer, maybe hot, because it looks like a summery island. So maybe it's warmer, like hot. Ukraine, it's cool and windy. Okay, cool. Let's see the next picture. Okay. So what is the weather like in this picture? What's the weather like? So how many adjectives can you pair with each image? In the Ukraine, it's cool and windy. Interesting. Do you go to the Ukraine often? Do you go back to the Ukraine? I think you told me that you're from Ukraine, Larissa. Cool and windy. And do you have a warm summer in the Ukraine? Is it warm in summer in Ukraine? It's cold and snowy. Yeah, perfect. Cold and snowy picture. Yes, it is. Perfect. Also, maybe it's snowing. Or foggy. So it's cold and snowy. Maybe it's foggy. Yeah. There are lots of adjectives you can use with that picture. Okay. Oh, this one. What's the weather like in this picture? How many adjectives can you pair with each image? So what's the weather like in this picture? So it's quite different. Ukraine in summer, it's hot and windy. Ah, cool. So it's always windy in Ukraine. So now it's cool and windy, but in summer it's hot and windy. So is it always windy in Ukraine or in your hometown in Ukraine, anyways? It's hot and cloudy. Yeah. Yeah, cloudy, hot. What other adjectives could we use for this picture? So cloudy, yeah. Hot, yeah. But the clouds look very, very black and dark. So maybe it's stormy. Maybe it's stormy. Or it could be warm, it could be cold. We don't know. but maybe stormy. Ukraine, it's dry climate. Okay, interesting. All right, let's see your next picture. All right, so what's the weather like in this picture? So this picture, the weather is very, very obvious, I think. It's cold and foggy. Perfect. Yes, very good, Marissa. Cold and foggy. Perfect. Let's see, next picture. Ooh. So this is a picture. What is the weather like? So they are holding umbrellas. These are called umbrellas. Okay, umbrellas to protect from the rain. It's raining and raining. Yeah, both raining and raining. Perfect. And yeah, what kind of clothes are they wearing? I'd say it's cool. The temperature is cool because the people are wearing jackets to stay warm. It could be in the summer or the spring or the autumn because tennis is played during the summer or the kind of summertime, like spring, summer. Cool. Okay. Okay. And what's the weather like in this picture? Last one, last picture. What's the weather like? Okay, it's sunny and windy. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. That's it exactly. Okay, yeah. And this is called well, sort of a flag. But at the beach, the lifeguards have a flag like this for the wind. So lifeguards, guards. Lifeguards are the people in red who police the water at the beach. Okay. So lifeguards are the people who in red who police the beach, police the water at the beach. And they usually have a red flag like this. Okay, so directions. Identify the directions on the compass. So east, south, north, west. So A, B, C, D. So match the words to the correct position on the compass. So we have some help on the compass because we have NE, SE, SW, and NW. So I'll give you a minute to write in yes, north. Perfect, Larissa, well done. The east. Yeah. North, south, east, west. Perfect, Larissa. That's it exactly. East, west. So usually, in English, we say north, south, east, west. So to help remember easier, north and south are opposites on the compass, and they both end with th. So north, south, east, and west. So they rhyme a little bit with the st at the end. West. So what's the weather like in? Look at the map of Canada and say what the weather is like. Sunny, foggy, rainy, snowy, cloudy, windy. In the north, the weather is. In the south, the weather is. In the east, the weather is. In the south, the weather is. And in the west, the weather is. So north, south, kind of this area, east, and west. Okay, so in the picture, in the north, what is the weather like? So what's the weather like in the north of Canada? Okay, in the north, the snowy. What verb should we use? In the north, snowy. Or in the north, the weather is snowy. So see in number 1 here. So in the north, the weather is snowy. Yeah. Okay. What's the weather like in the east? So Quebec, Newfoundland, Ontario, a little bit. So what's the weather like in the east? Okay, lovely, Larissa. And what's the weather like in the east? The weather is rainy and sunny. Lovely, perfect. Okay. In what's the weather like in the south? So what's the weather like in the south? So the south is like British Columbia, Alberta. Ooh, this is a strange word. Saskatchewan, Saskatchewan, or maybe Alberta, Saskatchewan, Ontario, and Manitoba. In the south, the weather is stormy and cloudy. Lovely. And what's the weather like in the west? What's the weather like in the west? In the west, the weather is rainy and cloudy. Perfect. Perfect. Very good, Larissa. Great work. is rainy and cloudy. Ooh, and sunny. We might have had sunny at the start. Yeah, sunny, perfect. Okay, so what's the weather like in? Choose an image and ask your partner what the weather is and isn't like there. So what's the weather like in picture B? It's hot and it's hot, it isn't rainy. So using it is and it isn't. So, Larissa, anyone else watching, of course, what's the weather like in picture A? What's the weather like in picture A? It's rainy and it isn't sunny. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. All right. What's the weather like in picture C? So we did A. What's the weather like in picture C? What's the weather like in picture C? It's raining and it isn't sunny. Yes, okay. And then the picture C. What's the weather like in picture C? Okay, so in picture C, the weather is it's foggy. It isn't stormy. Foggy. Oh, cloudy. Okay, cool. It's cloudy. It isn't stormy. Lovely. Perfect. And in picture D is quite similar. Maybe it's cold. It's cloudy, but it isn't warm. It's cloudy. It isn't warm. I can say anything really. Let's see. So things to do. Match the activity to the image. Surfing, camping, skiing, sunbathing. So match the activity to the image. So I think they're easy enough. Surfing, camping, skiing, sunbathing. Okay, A is skiing, B surfing, C sunbathing, D camping. Perfect. Straight away, very quickly. Well done, Larissa. Yep, perfect. So things to do. Match the activity to the image. Reading, cleaning the house, going to the movies, hiking, and relaxing at home. So again, match the activity to the image. Okay, A, going to the movies. Perfect, yeah. Going to the movies. B, is cleaning the house. C, hiking. Perfect. Cleaning the house, hiking. Lovely. D and E. D, relaxing at home. And E is, of course, reading. Going to the movies or the cinema. Cleaning the house. Hiking, like hiking the mountain. Relaxing at home and reading. Okay, so when it's sunny, tell your partner what you like to do in different kinds of weather. For example, when it's snowy, I like skiing. So we have some weather: sunny, foggy, rainy, hot, snowy, cloudy, cold, windy. And activities: camping, skiing, sunbathing, reading, cleaning the house, going to the movies, hiking, and relaxing at home. So tell me in the chat, when it's sunny, what do you like to do? So when it's not, sorry, when it's hot, I like sunbathing. When it's hot, I like sunbathing. What do you like to do when it's hot? What do you like to do? Ah, Larissa, you said the same thing as me. Perfect. When it's sunny, okay. When it's sunny, I like sunbathing. Beautiful. Very good. What do you like to do when it's rainy? What do you like to do when it's rainy? Oh, lovely. When it's cloudy, I like relaxing at home. Nice. When it's cloudy, when it's rainy, I like cleaning the house. So, at home as a child, when it's rainy, we always clean the house. So, what do you like to do when it's rainy? When it's rainy, I like cleaning the house. Okay, cool. Ooh. So let's go hiking. Tell your partner what the weather is like, then suggest an activity. Example, it's rainy, let's go to the movies. So we have the same weather as before and some activities. So give me an example, a suggestion. So it's snowy, what should we do? So suggest. We use let's to make suggestions. So it's snowy, let's go skiing. So let's is followed by an infinitive, like go, read, clean, stay. Okay, so in the chat, put your suggestion of what to do when it's snowy. But I will finish there today. It's time. So thank you, Larissa, so much. It was great seeing you again. Hopefully I'll see you soon. But thank you so much. Have a lovely weekend. Okay, bye.